e.g. Ines Heating and Cooling analysis identifies whether a facility has been unnecessarily heated during the summer and whether there is overlapping heating and cooling in the facility. Unnecessary heating and cooling cause problems in facilities, such as energy waste and reduced indoor air quality. Overlapping or alternating heating and cooling also increases the load on equipment, shortening its lifespan and raising costs. The key results are summarized in the analysis summary and table view. From the columns menu above the table, you can add or remove information displayed in the table. In the first column after the facility name, there are buttons for downloading the facility report, creating an action, and updating the calculation. The state column shows whether the analysis was successful and any possible reasons for its failure. The status column presents the status of the findings, which you can change using the pencil icon. The date column shows when the calculation was last updated. The actions column shows whether actions related to the analysis have already been created for the facility. The following columns present the identified savings potential. You can get more detailed explanations of the data in the result columns by hovering over the column header. Next, we will go through the contents of the facility report, which you can download by pressing the Download Report button. The first section of the report analyzes overlapping or alternating heating and cooling, the amount of which is provided in the first table. The chart below the table shows the hourly heating and cooling power and outdoor temperature over the past 12 months. If there is no separate measurement for cooling energy in the facility, the hourly power consumption of electricity is shown instead. The next chart shows the identified heating and cooling in the facility on a daily level. The orange upward bars represent heating, and the downward purple bars represent cooling. If there are bars pointing both upward and downward on the same days, the facility probably has had both heating and cooling on the same day. The second section of the report identifies unnecessary heating during the summer. In warm periods during the summer, heating should primarily be used only for heating domestic hot water. If there is a correlation between heat consumption and outdoor temperature during summer days, it is likely that spaces have been heated unnecessarily. Domestic hot water is usually used most during the day, so nighttime heat consumption generally indicates space heating. The first chart in the section shows the hourly heating power at different outdoor temperatures on warm summer days. The correlation between consumption and outdoor temperature suggests unnecessary heating. The final chart shows the average heat consumption during the night and day on summer days, broken down by the hour. If nighttime consumption is higher than daytime consumption, the facility may have been heated unnecessarily. Nighttime consumption can be due to heating the ventilation intake air or the heating network. During warm periods, it is better to ventilate indoor air with cooler night air rather than heating it.